How to create a landing or coming soon page on Wix Easy Tutorial 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can create your very own landing or coming soon page using Wix. And a landing page is optimally a page that a person lands on by clicking a link or by clicking an email perhaps, or just clicking any ad prompt. And a landing page basically gives your brand, or maybe if you're marketing something, it gives it a proper structure and it shows what the company or the brand you're ambassadoring for really is about. So that's why a landing page is so useful, and it needs to be the most attractive page that you have. And we can also make a coming soon page. For example, if someone clicks a link, he'll drop on the landing page or the coming soon page where you're gonna tell someone about a product of yours or some event that is coming soon. So yeah, we're going to be discussing all of that, and I'm going to be going through all the great details of how to create it and how to work around with it, and it's going to be done using Wix. And as we all know, Wix is a great software and it has a great drag and drop feature, so we're just going to be working with all of that. And all I want you to do is sit back, relax, and listen to all the instructions I have to give, and watch this video till the end and watch it properly. And if you do all that, I can guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to create a landing page or a coming soon page on Wix. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously we're going to discuss how a landing page should optimally look like. A landing page, sometimes known as a lead capture page or a single property page or a static page, is a single page that appears in response to clicking on a link or anything. A landing page is a standalone web page that a person lands on after clicking through an email or ad or a digital location. Every content strategy should include the use of landing pages to convert more traffic and increase conversions. So now that we know the basics of a landing page, let's head over to Wix. Now, Wix.com is obviously, you've seen it in advertisements and you've heard it everywhere. Wix.com is a free website builder and a web development company, and it's amazing. It's great for your e-commerce, and it's great for creating websites and different pages. So we're just going to get into it and go ahead and create our landing page. So once you've loaded up into the Wix page, obviously it's going to ask you to sign up with your account and other things and other whatnot. Now obviously I'm properly signed into my account, thus I am on my dashboard right now. And this is what the Wix dashboard optimally looks like. Now, if you're not properly signed up, make sure to sign yourself up, because obviously without signing up, you can't create using Wix. So now that you're here and properly signed up, make sure to go through with all the procedures it takes you through. Make sure to optimize yourself properly. And after doing all that, you're going to come up here and you're going to click on Edit Site. It's going to be right here in your dashboard, and we're going to go on Edit Site. Now, as you can see, you may already have, let's say, a template site built into yourself, like I have right here. So what you can do is obviously you can go on Site Actions, and you can basically create a new site from here. So let's say I want to create a new site. So I'm going to tell Wix that I want a new site, and from here on out, it takes me to the free website builder. And from here are some crucial steps, so make sure to not skip this, because according to this, Wix optimizes what you want. So what kind of a website you're creating. Now you can go with a landing page that you just want to create a landing page, and then click on next. And once you click on next, what's the name of your business? You can name it. Let's say it's about electronics, and after you do that, you're going to click on next again. And once you click on next, what do you want to add to your website? Now, obviously, it's a landing page, so you don't need to make it look like a store. You don't need bookings, events, blogs, etc. You don't need any of this. So just click on chat, even if you want chat. And after that, click on next. Now, after you click on next, it says start setting up your business or start designing your website. Now you can either get a custom built site with Wix, and Wix creates it in like seconds, or you can begin with a template that Wix gives you already. So if you don't have a lot of time or creativity on your hand, you can just go with get a custom built site, and Wix will do it for you. But if you want to get creative, you can just click on begin with a template. and you'll get tons and tons of different Wix templates. So again, as you can see, these are the landing pages, or as we can see, the coming soon pages. So let's say I want to make a landing page or a coming soon page like this one. This is very colorful and looks very attractive and nice. So to first check it out, I'm going to click on view. Now once it loads up, I'm going to check if I really like the design, and yes I do, because in the background, as we can see, we have these nice pastel gradient shades, and over here we have this nice box that shows the products, and they also have the subscribe button, which brings you over here where the person can submit their email if they want to subscribe, and once the product is released they can properly subscribe. So if we like what we see, what you can do is you're just going to click on edit this site in the top right, and what that will do is it will start creating the template and deposit it to your Wix account, and it's going to open the Wix website editor from your email, and you're going to start working on the template that you just edited. So now that once the Wix website editor is properly loaded up, over here you're going to see tons and tons of these different features. And don't worry, they're very easy to work around, because as I told you, Wix is a basic drop and drag editor. So let's say I want to mess around with the top section. So we're going to go in the top section, and over here we can see these header designs and different things to mess around with. So let's say we're going to mess around with the Allura set. So let's go with we want to change it to electronics, because that's what our website is. And then you can change these arts that are on the header if you want to. You can change it from coming soon to let's say that you don't want it to look like coming soon, because obviously coming soon is just a very generic thing and a lot of people write it. So you can change it from coming soon to coming to the stores, something like that. Or you can, just to make it a suspenseful, coming to the stores, and give them a date in a few weeks. You can do something like that, or you can just get text ideas from Wix. I don't recommend doing that because it's not the greatest. So once you've done that, again, you can come down here, add your product image by clicking on change image. Now once you click on change image, what it's going to do, it's going to open this image bar for you where you can upload your own media, or maybe you can upload other things. Now let's say the Wix does have great stock images, so you can search them up here if you want to. So let's say you have something electronic related, and this looks very aesthetic. It's an electronic piano. I'm going to click on that, and look at that. It brings that right here. Now let's say I want to edit the proportionality of this image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on crop. Once I click on crop, here we go. There, and from there on out, because obviously we don't want to show the guy, we want to show the piano. Once you do that, you're going to click on apply. Look at that, that's what it's going to look. And of course you can add filters and different animations if you want to, like it can bounce in, or it can even bounce out if you wanted to. Like if someone brings it down or opens the website, it can bounce in or bounce out. Then you can also come to here. Obviously this is a HTML infused link, like it's linked with an href. So what you can do is you can change the link to something else if you want to. What do you want to link it to? You can link it to the subscribe form, or you can link it to email, phone number, or whatever you want, because it's totally upon you, depends upon you. Then you can also change the background color if you want to. And yeah, once you do all that, that is basically how you create a landing page or a coming soon page using Wix. And after that, you're just going to publish it, and after you publish it, it goes live, and you can send the link to anyone if you want to. So yeah, that is how you create a landing page using Wix, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.